Somebody stole my door. I don't know where the door went. That's a laundromat without a door. You want to see what happened to my door? Stick around for this video because you're not going to believe this. Wish me luck. I'm going into the uncharted territory here. Friends don't let friends go to this store. Just saying. All right. Let's pick it up. Well, we're going to slide this off first. Let's lean the... There you go. Take all the screws out. Yep. Let me get a crowbar. Yeah. Oh, fun times.
Yeah.
Now what we're going to do is drill some holes. Should get lucky and that one should line up. Got carriage bolts we're going to put back in. I'm talking to myself.
Oh, okay. Get better answers that way.
Start right here. Did it come through? I got to run and get a drill bit for what I'm going to do. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my God, you're cheating on Maynard's. I know. This is the worst store ever. I'm telling you, I would never go here. But it's the closest thing to my laundromat and I'm in a hurry. Because you're going to see the problem we got and you're going to be like, yeah, I'd definitely get that fixed pronto. So I'm going to head in here. I'm not taking the camera because I'm pretty sure I'd get kicked out. But I think one time I am going to start sneaking cameras in here because it's kind of funny to watch these helpers run away from me. So let me go get what I need and I'll be right back. All right. Now I just got to put some. Now I always have these in totes. My parts and everything like this. Washers, lock nuts. Best way to go.
I wonder what have you put a piece of steel along here. Don't put that through.
Well, the new doors we're gonna
I keep forgetting about the new doors. Yeah.
This is just temporary to get us by, but the new ones, yeah, we're gonna bolt the heck out of them. So this is not ideal.
I got a nut driver that'll fit that.
I got a nut driver too in my hand.
Oh well, there's one for the car on the back of the what they call it, toolbox.
You want to turn that for me? Hang on. Go ahead. All right, got people looking at me with this damn camera and like, what is going on?
I thought the one was going to break her neck looking while I go down the road.
I'm famous. All right, give it a try. Poor father-in-law. This is the fun stuff you get to do at the laundromat on the nights after you go to work all day. This is why I talk about having somebody help you. Hang on, it's just turning, buddy. Try that. My father-in-law, he helps me all the time. He came over here earlier and put the door away, which is a super help since he's retired. But that's my advice to you. Have somebody that can help you. Hell, this even came off. Wow, this thing really got tore up. He's going to town on that. Yeah, we're gonna need a deep well socket before this gets done. That's good, Grover. That's good. You can only get, what? It's not? Well, I keep going then. Customers and people driving cars are looking at us hilariously funny camera. Yeah, that's good. You're getting ready to strip them. Hang on. Get both those done at the same time. We won't have to do any more of that. Hey, I just drilled an extra hole. What's that?
Almost there.
Smack it like you hate it, guys. Smack it like you hate it. You know, this door might be so good, we might just leave it.
I was looking at screws and they might be good.
Here, let me do this one. Look like I'm doing something here.
I hate that damn place. Get the shit out of me.
Oh, fun.
It is fun.
Never know what you're going to get to do at the laundromat.
Yep.
But the videos make it look easy. Oh man, I tell you. What?
Almost done. Got to work it a little bit.
All right. Hang on. All right, last nut. Last nut. Now. So this does. Test this out. Big moment, guys. Let's put the door closer back in. Really? Father was telling me to take the screw out. Probably. Probably gonna wish we just did this and didn't buy the new doors.
No shit.
Look at that.
Look at that. That is awesome.
Oh my God. Door works better now than it ever did.
I told you should call me. I was trying to get
Yeah.
everyone lined up on it. Look at that. The seam there. The seam is perfect.
I know I'm a good, aren't I? Well, that don't work. That's not good. Used to work. Now it don't. Get my phone real quick. Now what I'm putting back now is a dead one because I got to order one, and basically this side will be dead because I don't have one. I can't steal one off another building, so I'm going to just put this on here for now, shut this door, we'll put a sign on it, use the other door. At least the door's on. That's the main thing at this point. All right, let's get the cord out of here so we don't shock ourselves. Yeah. Sometimes I do pretty good.
Huh?
Sometimes I do pretty good. Sometimes. This one's got the door closer. The door closer pulled out of the frame. And so I came here one day and the door was like this. So I'm going to do the same thing. See, on that side, I did carriage bolts. It's because that aluminum, even though you got those self-tapping screws, there's just the amount of in and out, and the door's getting jarred.
I know I seen you drill the hole. It was like right through, like it's like gold.
Yeah, it's real thin aluminum. That's what sucks about these doors is, unless these were bad when we got the place, but what happened is they tear themselves up. So tomorrow I'll put this door closer in. But like this door, it's got to be adjusted. It's pretty far out of whack. See? I might be able to tighten that top bolt and fix it.
No, you won't be able to. That's not what's new.
Let's see when this door fell off. Right now you can see the doors are jarred.
Oh yeah.
There was a few screws out at this point. Yeah. This is way more jarred than it was this morning.
I think that girl was here when I took the door off.
It might have happened when she was here, and then that way that's why she said something.
She looks familiar. Oh, well, there it goes.
Got a little more that time. Oh, a little more that time. Yeah, you can see it hanging off good there.
Oh yeah.
I'm kind of curious. She tried to go out that door, and that door we got shut. See, they're trying not to even open it.
Yeah, not really want to touch it. Oh, look at there.
That's probably the one.
Yep, that guy grabbed it and pushed it.
That was a girl.
No, that was a guy, wasn't it?
That was a girl.
That's a girl? Look at it, you got the door shaking it.
Yeah, she's trying to hold it open. And that's what did it in. I mean, it was done in before, but
Yeah.
she's probably the one that called. That's why we got the cameras, so we can see what happened, because it always drives you crazy trying to figure out how it happened. Well, we got that door fixed, and we found out who stole our door. This guy, right here. He stole it. I don't think he's happy, so we won't talk very loud. He can't hear well.
That's what you're talking about now.
Yeah, I'm just going to tighten it real quick, but I got to put that door closer on tomorrow. That'll make a big difference.
Oh, really?
They clean this tape off the doors. Yeah, it's just crazy. All right. Well, that's the end of this project. Thanks for tuning in. Take it easy. See you later.
You thought you was taping this for your own protection.
What's that?
I thought you was taping this for your own protection. The company that hired you.
I know. Cameras scare all the customers.
They do.
They freak them out.
You know what I mean?
That's why I wear that GoPro on my chest. People will talk back and forth, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you got it now on your chest.
Well, that's a microphone, but I'm talking about when I put the GoPro on.
Oh,
I did it a couple videos back, and it was pretty funny. Like some people would notice it, and some people wouldn't. But if the camera was this small, I really could do it all the time.
oh, I'll bet.
All right, well, I'm gonna put my stuff away.